Living paycheck to paycheck means spending all income before the next payday, hindering savings. This financial state increases vulnerability to unexpected financial emergencies due to the absence of a financial cushion. Breaking this cycle requires budgeting and prioritizing savings, even with a small percentage of income, to build a financial safety net. Funding lifestyle expenses with debt incurs higher costs due to interest accumulation. Debt for lifestyle expenses delays gratification and increases overall expenditure. Strategic debt use for assets like education or business ventures can generate income and increase net worth. Tracking expenses provides visibility into spending patterns, enabling informed decisions to reduce unnecessary expenditures and improve savings rates. Investing in mutual funds, stocks, or index funds can help grow wealth and outpace inflation, especially when starting early to leverage compounding returns. Continuously improving financial knowledge empowers individuals to manage their money effectively and build long-term wealth.